So they're saying there's gonna be over 1 million pairs of these joints. Yes, 1 million pairs plus, which can be a good thing and a bad thing depending on how these Air Jordan 11s move, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated, man. You guys slide through, pull up, because you know you don't have to, but you clicked on this video anyways, man. I really want to say thank you guys so much. If you are new to the channel right now, what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys missing on any content that we do drop over here on the channel, and please follow it up with a huge like, man. We need everybody to smack that like button, bro. It's free 99, and it definitely helps the channel grow, man. We steadily growing, man, and we'll keep rocking out together, especially give you guys this good content, bro. And I had a quick question for everybody. Watch real quick, man. Let me know down below in the comment section if you went after those Air Jordan 5s today. I think it's called the Midnight Navies or something like that. Me, I personally wasn't feeling them, nothing I needed in the collection. I know some people that did like them, but for me, if I did snag them joints, it would definitely be when they go on sale. You guys know how it's been lately for these GRs. Everything is going on sale within a couple of weeks. So if you want to save some ducats, save your money, man, definitely hold off on them because they're going to be there for a very long time. And they might hit the Nike outlets very soon, man. All right, man, so we got these joints inside of the package, bruh. The Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. And I know a lot of people said that they want the DMPs. I know a lot of people said just re-release the Concords, but no, they twisting it up, they switching it up, and they ain't giving us the same stuff. You know, some people complain about always getting this, you know, random colorways, and actually it'd be the same people that say they want new stuff from Jordan Brand, and when they drop it, they trash it. They say they ain't copping, and then revert back to saying, why didn't they just drop the OG? So me, man, I'm kind of opening up my horizon, bruh. I'm not trying to criticize as much as I used to, as far as seeming to like complain or ask about the same colorways, or, you know what I'm saying? Because I actually do like what Jordan Brand is doing, what Nike is doing. They're giving us a lot of different things this year, starting with the Air Jordan 3 Reimagines, and then leading all the way to these joints right here, man. They've definitely been mixing it up. So let's go ahead and get inside today's package, man, inside today's box. And you guys see it, man. You guys see the box, man. Check it out. You've been seeing them 100 times already, but you see it, bro. This is what your Gratitude Air Jordan 11s will come in. You guys see the fish colorway. We did already do a full review and on feed over these things. If you have not checked it out already, I'll be sure to tag it down below. But these right here, man, like I said, trashed them when I first seen it. I said, yo, why did they just give us the DMPs? And then, you know, couple of days, a couple of weeks later, I kind of start gravitating towards them a little bit more. And I actually think this is a nice, crispy pair, man. Check it out. The Air Jordan 11 Jubilees, bro. Look at that light hitting off them, bro. Just a dope sneaker, bro. And I feel like there's going to be a lot of people trying to snag these things because, for one, they look like the Concords, they look like the DMPs, and it's a nice tumbled leather on the upper. You know what I'm saying? Kind of give you that 72 and 10 hit on these joints, man. So you guys see it, bro. I'm actually liking these a little bit more now that I finally got them back in hand, bro. Let's go ahead and get both of them out of the box. Like I said, I do have a full review and on feet already live on the channel. And I'm gonna tag it down below so you guys can see what kind of pants I threw with it, you know what I'm saying, how I laced them and all that good stuff. But these joints will be releasing December the 9th, man. December the 9th, we're gonna be getting the Gratitude joints to finally drop. And like I said, there's rumored to be over 1 million pairs, which kind of seems consistent with what Jordan Brand has been doing the last couple years. And I think the first one I remember when they was talking about these millions of pairs or whatever was the Air Jordan 11 breads. Like when the breads dropped, that was a big talk all over social media, how they produced so many pairs. And if you've seen what the bread 11s did, they still sold out. Everybody still wanted them. Everybody still grabbed them because, you know, everybody wait till like the end of the year for some reason to buy sneakers, and it always happens to be a pair of Air Jordan 11s, man. So do not sleep, bro. I don't want you guys to see that million pairs and think it's gonna be an instant W. I definitely think there's gonna be a lot of people trying to grab these things. You know what I'm saying? It's right now Christmas time frame, right now Thanksgiving time frame, and everybody wants to buy stuff, bro. Everybody want to buy stuff around that time, and I think these right here will be another one of those Air Jordan 11s that sell out the same day of the release, because it does let out the Concord, like I said, and it still gives you that DMP vibe, which we haven't seen the DMPs in forever, you know what I mean? Jordan Brand gave us the DMP 6s, but they didn't give us the DMP 11s. They gave us these Gratitude joints, and I'm actually starting to like these things a lot more, bro, a lot more. Kind of feel bad for trashing these when I first seen the official images. Should have waited till I got them in hand. But my whole thing was like, you know, how I was mentioning earlier, I wanted the DMPs to come out. They won't give us the DMPs, why not just give it a Concours? Like I said, once you get them in hand, bruh, they are a lot better. They are a lot crispier. And that patent leather, bruh, and that tumble leather up top of them gold hits, man, I'm telling y'all, man, it would definitely change your mind in hand, bro. And check out the outsoles. Something totally different from what we used to seeing. Kind of gave us the same outsole we seen on the 72 and 10s. The like milky outsole. And of course, you do have your carbon fiber plate at the bottom still. Do not sleep, man. Put in your leg work, put in your footwork. I definitely think this is gonna be a relatively easy cop if you are, you know what I'm saying, putting in your raffles, putting it on Foot Locker, Champ Sports, JD, you know what I'm saying, all those are good spots. You should secure a pair. There's gonna be them people that's like, you know, it's a million pairs, I should be good. Those are gonna be the people that's taking L's and coming back to the recap video saying, man, I can't believe I gotta pay resale for them joints. I don't think the resale gonna be anything too crazy, because right now they sitting around 300 bucks, and we are about a month, you know what I'm saying, before the drop, and we are about to get a shock drop this upcoming week over these gratitude joints. Whenever I get that set time, that set date, you guys already know, I'll be sure to let you guys know about it. But all in all, man, definitely a dope sneaker. Something that I initially was gonna put on the back burner, and now I can see why a lot of people are loving these joints and why a lot of people are gonna be trying to get 2 or 3 pairs of these. Like I said, man, do not sleep, bro. I know I already asked you guys about 10 times already, but go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you will be going after a pair of these joints. Are you gonna be that person that doubles up? Are you one of those people that don't have the Concours or the DMPs, so you all over this release right here? I need to see all you guys' thoughts, comments, and opinions down below. ASAP Rocky. If you guys do not know, I will be giving away a pair for free to one lucky supporter here within the next couple of days. Got to put everybody's name that entered over on IG onto the wheel. We're going to be going live on YouTube, you know what I'm saying, spin that thing. If that person does not respond within, you know what I'm saying, a timely manner, we're going to take that name off the list, we're going to spin it again, and whoever is, you know what I'm saying, confirm that pair, we'll get these joints away to that lucky supporter. Just to show my thanks back to you guys for all the support you guys been showing 2023. So yeah, man, over 1 million pairs, gratitude Air Jordan 11s. Don't let that number confuse you. They still gonna sell out. These things still gonna fly off the shelf. And go ahead and do your due diligence to try to secure a pair on release date. Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. Go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And go ahead and leave a huge like on today's video, man. I appreciate all of the support, man. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. And with all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.